So Higgsfield just recently launched Higgsfield Supercomputer, and people are already using it to do some insane things. I'm talking about pasting a long video and having it automatically create viral-worthy clips, creating entire AI influencer armies from a single prompt, even running full dropshipping businesses completely on autopilot. So today I'm going to show you the 5 most insane use cases of Higgsfield Supercomputer. Now Higgsfield did sponsor this video, but I'm only making this video because I think it is a great tool and all the opinions here are my own. Now, another important thing you need to know before I show you the use cases: the Higgsfield Supercomputer has been updated. It is now 8 times cheaper and 3 times faster. They've basically decreased the total cost so that normal people like you and me can run this tool easily without spending a ton of credits. They have also added this new Gemini orchestrator feature. Powered by Gemini, it automatically selects the absolute best model for any given task. This means it won't just default to the most expensive models, like Opus 4.7 or GPT 5.5 Pro, for simple jobs. Overall, these are some massive quality of life changes that make the Higgsfield Supercomputer much easier and cheaper to use. Moving on to the first use case, this agent can basically run a full dropshipping business on its own. It's not just an AI content creation tool, it's incredibly versatile. For example, in this first prompt, I asked the model to scour the internet and find viral dropshipping products, items I could make organic videos about that have serious revenue potential. I told it to really think deeply about the market and only present the absolute best products it could find. It gave me a great list of products, but I noticed it was pulling from several different websites. I specifically wanted to source my products from Alibaba, since they're cheaper and you can easily negotiate with the sellers. So I reprompted the model, asking specifically for Alibaba product links. It quickly adapted and gave me a few fresh examples. Out of all of them, the one that really stood out to me was an ergonomic orthopedic memory foam pillow with cooling cervical support. I think this product has some serious potential, so here's what I did next. I copied the product link and gave it a simple prompt. Hey, can you make a UGC ad for this specific product? The crazy part? I didn't even have to go in and manually take screenshots or download photos. I just fed it the link and it automatically began generating user-generated content and marketing videos for our product. After pasting the link, it asked if it should run its built-in professional UGC creative production workflow. I clicked yes. Next, it asked for the desired duration of the short-form ad, giving me options like 15, 30, or 45 seconds. I went with 15 seconds. Finally, it asked, do you have a gender preference for the UGC creator? I requested a female creator, and right away, it generated this image. The really cool thing here is that we can actually reuse this specific UGC creator for future campaigns. After locking in the character, it created a full storyboard. From there, it used Seedance 2 to generate the final video for our product. Let's take a look.
Waking up with a stiff neck and sweating all night is the worst. You need to ditch your old pillow. Oh, I'm so tired of waking up like this. Look at this cervical support cooling pillow. You press it, feel the pure contour holding its shape, and it actually stays cold through the night. Best sleep upgrade ever. Link below.
As you can see, the quality of that UGC video is fantastic. Now let's take it a step further and ask the model to generate a few standalone picture ads for our Instagram page. I'll just prompt it with, hey, I want you to generate around 4 images for a standalone Instagram carousel promoting our product. Alright, the AI agent has finished generating the images for our standalone ads. Take a look. These images accurately depict the exact product we're trying to sell. Everything looks highly professional, and honestly, these are perfect to run as image ads right out of the gate. Moving on to the second use case, and I find this one really fascinating. You can actually use this agent to create your very own AI sitcom. In this prompt, I asked the agent to generate 3 different characters, define their identities, and write up a backstory for them. I specified that they should be office workers doing funny little skits. The main goal here was to see if the AI could keep these characters completely consistent from scene to scene. First, it asked me to choose voice presets for the trio, which I did. After that, it generated the character designs, and then it actually created 3 short video clips for the sitcom. For example, let's take a look at this clip of one of our characters talking.
Chloe, falling paper poses a severe risk of high-velocity paper cuts. It violates Section 4.2 of the Municipal Safety Guidelines.
Okay, so the joke itself wasn't hilarious, but the real takeaway here is how well the agent maintains character consistency. After generating the visual video, it maps out the dialogue. From there, I can just use the voice change feature on Higgsfield to seamlessly match the correct voice preset to the character on screen. It ensures that the voices remain perfectly consistent throughout the series, and having that integrated backstory really brings it to life. For the third use case, I wanted to test something technical. Could this agent create 2D motion graphics videos using code only? I didn't want it to rely on an AI video generator. Any model can write a prompt for a video generator, but generating motion graphics strictly through code? That's next level. So I wasn't sure how it would go. So I told the model to use a mix of tools, mentioning Monim and Hyperframe. Instantly it caught on. It accurately deduced that I wanted Python and Monim for mathematical animations, combined with diagrams, AI images, and programmatic editing to stitch it all together. It ended up creating this video on human psychology, generating a bunch of images to place inside it. While the video itself was interesting, I really wasn't a fan of the AI images it included, so I pivoted. I asked it to create a second video, specifically stating, no AI images this time, I want pure motion graphics generated entirely through code. For this second attempt, I asked it to explain the cathode ray experiment, the famous test J.J. Thomson used to discover electrons. Check out the video the model created. You simply cannot get this level of scientific accuracy with a standard AI video generator. It has to be coded. The beauty of the Higgsfield Supercomputer is its flexibility. It seamlessly tapped into the coding capabilities of the Opus models to write the script and render these flawless motion graphics. Now, another brilliant use case for this agent is generating professional presentations. I decided to give it a prompt like, hey, I want you to create a detailed presentation on how we are going to achieve AGI by 2028. Let's run it and see what happens. Alright, the agent has finished putting the deck together. We can't preview it directly in the chat, so we have to download the file. After opening it up, wow, look at this. It's remarkably good. It laid out all the core textual pillars, gave us full editing access to tweak the slides, and even populated it with high-quality icons. Overall, an extremely solid presentation. Basically, this supercomputer isn't just a chatbot, it's an active agent that gets real work done for you. For our fifth and final use case, we're going to test its video replication skills. You can upload any reference video you want. Here, I'm uploading a trending video where everyday objects explain how to use them. We are going to ask the model to create a similar video so we can capitalize on this viral trend and get some really good views. This tool is perfect for taking inspiration from viral AI content and recreating it effortlessly. My prompt was, hey, analyze this reference video and create something similar, but this time feature different fruits explaining their health benefits. Give all the fruits an English accent with a heavy German twang. Keep the visual style identical to the reference, and make sure the spoken language is English. For this specific task, I'm going to select the Gemini 3.1 Pro model, simply because its video understanding capabilities are top tier. Okay, the agent is evaluating my input and has just provided a detailed breakdown of the video's art style. It looks spot on, so I'm just going to click continue here because this agent is smart enough to handle the rest. Alright, the AI agent has finished generating all the images and assets we need, and it has compiled a final MP4 video. Let's watch it.
Fun with fruits. Fiber helps keep digestion running smoothly, yeah?
Vitamin C. Very good for immunity. Wunderbar.
Antioxidants help protect your cells like tiny bodyguards, yeah?
As you can see, the result was quite good. Obviously, we could go in and refine it further, but the fact that the agent handled this entire pipeline so easily is mind-blowing. Being able to feed it a reference video and have it generate a complete viral-ready clone means you can jump on any popular AI video trend instantly. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. Please don't forget to check out the Higgsfield Supercomputer using the link in the description below.